Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Raf. So we've just finished this job on this transporter, and I just had a thought that, you know, we've actually not done a video on a transporter that I can remember. And we actually work on so many transporters down here, and we get so many inquiries come through. I just thought if we do a video, it's a little bit educational. People can go and watch this video. We can put the video on some of our products and people can get an idea of what we can do. So this van, Transporter T6.1, belongs to a very good friend of mine, Lawrence at Ideal Dent Solutions. So he comes and removes dents from your cars. He's one of the best in the business. I've known him for many years. Recently, we were just having a chat and he came in, and funnily enough, we were actually doing an audio upgrade on another van. And we've seen a huge shift in mentality recently where a lot of van owners are realizing that their van is almost like their daily driver, and they're using the van all the time, you know, for work and personal and pleasure. So we're getting a lot of van owners coming in and upgrading the audio systems in their van because they're spending so much time in them. So Lawrence saw this van and he said, "What are you doing?" I explained it. He's like, "Oh, really? You know, what can we do?" So we had a chat, and he told me how disappointed he was in his van. Now, if you've got a van, you'll probably agree most vans don't sound really good from the factory because, you know, the system is built using cheap components. So this van has got the factory stereo, it's got a pair of 6.5-inch speakers in the doors, and then it's got a pair of tweeters in the A-pillars, and that's it. It sounds pretty crap, you know, this is the way to say it, so it sounds crap. So we've had a chat and he said, let's do something in it. So we've done one of our upgrades in this van. It's like what we call our mid-level upgrade. So it's a nice system, and what we've done in it is we've taken all the signals from the factory head units. We've not replaced the head unit because he didn't want to. He wanted to keep his original head unit. We can replace head units in transporters as well, but he wanted to keep it stock. So we've taken signals from the factory head unit. We've run them into a little a match 6-channel amplifier, and the little amplifier is running the whole car. Now this amplifier is also a DSP. DSP is where the magic happens because it allows us to tune timeline the whole car. The amplifier has been mounted behind the dashboard, so it's taken up no extra room in his van. We've used proper harnesses, so there's plug and play harnesses available, so literally no wires have been cut in his van whatsoever. That amplifier takes a signal from the factory head unit, which is a 2-channel system, and then it delivers it to all of our speakers. So what we've done is we've replaced the tweeters in the A-pillars with the Helix i5 tweeters. We've been using these recently on a lot of our builds, and at the price point, I think I've said it in another video, I don't think much comes near them. They sound unbelievable, and the honest truth is I think they're probably a bit too cheap for what people are getting. I don't know how Helix are doing it, but it's a great tweeter. So i5 tweeters have gone in the A-pillars in stock locations. Again, we've used the original adapter, so Helix do brackets which go straight in, so there's no cutting or anything. So they've gone beyond the A-pillars in the OEM location. Car looks completely stock, and everything we've done can be reversed as well. We've then gone for the Helix i3 6.5-inch mid-bass speakers in the doors, again in stock locations using Helix collars. We've comprehensively sound deadened the doors. I mean, the sound deadening, people don't understand how much of a difference this actually makes. So we've given the speakers the right environment to play in. So we've completely deadened the whole outer skin of the door card, off the door skin. To do that, you've got to remove the glass, but it's quite straightforward. We've then done the middle skin, we've done the door card as well. And I mean, they're solid. Not only does it help with the sound, it also helps with road noise. When you're opening and closing your door, you can just feel the quality. So 6.5-inch Helix i3s in the doors. And then Helix make a range of subwoofer enclosures, and they actually do a woofer, which I've done a video on previously, their impact range for the transporter. So it's a ready-made box built for a VW transporter. This car's got the twin passenger seat, so we've mounted this enclosure under the driver's side seat, and we will overlay images of everything. So it's a single 10-inch in a sealed enclosure. So the 6-channel amp, how it's run is 2 of the channels are running the tweeters in the A-pillars, 2 of the channels are running the mid-bass drivers in the door, and the remaining 2 channels, so they've got 2 channels which are higher output at 2 ohms. So this woofer is a dual voice called 2-ohm subwoofer. So them remaining 2 channels are running the subwoofer. So the whole system's run fully active. We've then tuned it. We've just finished tuning it, and One thing we like to do is we always like to speak to clients. So I've spoken to Lawrence, I've asked him what type of music he likes to listen to. So we've got a tune on it, what we're happy with, and we've listened to tracks that he likes, and we've got it sounding amazing. People don't understand how good a van can actually sound. You know, if you came and you listened to a van which we were working on, or you listened to this van, it would really change people's opinions on car audio, because we get a lot of people, oh, I don't need it, it's my works van. But once you listen to a system installed properly, and you know, these systems aren't, you know, ridiculously expensive. So, you know, you can get a nice system in your van and get it sounding absolutely fantastic. So everything looks completely stock. Again, we will overlay some images. The van sounds awesome. Lawrence is coming to pick it up in about an hour, and I know he's going to be blown away. I will tag Lawrence down in the comments, in the description below, so if you need any work doing, you can contact him. He's a really nice guy, and I do recommend him. But yeah, if anybody's got a van, no matter what, you know, we do a lot of transporters and transits and sprinters, but any van. Recently, we've been doing quite a lot of camper vans as well, so people are converting these vans into camper vans, and you're doing long journeys in them, and it's nice to have a system which sounds really nice. So if you drive a nice car in the daytime and your car sounds nice, I guarantee you we can get your van to sound better than your car. So yeah, guys, if anybody wants a similar system, drop us a shout. If there's any questions, feel free to contact us. I hope this helps. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, because it does help us, it really does. The channel is growing and there's so much content we've got recording. So there's lots happening on the channel. Please subscribe, follow the journey. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.